How about we do a good old-fashioned unboxing? Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today I have a fun little classic unboxing video for you. I have bought some new shoes and I decided to open it up here for you. I hope you all had an amazing holiday and I hope you all had an amazing holiday and Santa was good to you, even though you might have been a little naughty. I would love to open some items for you here that I actually got in the sales. I don't know if you guys did any sales. Tell me what you got for Christmas in the comments down below. And let's open these new shoes together. First thing I'm gonna open is a brand I have never gotten before, and this is Sophia Webster. I have admired her shoes. She kind of does the shoes that have the butterflies and stuff associated with them. I always thought they were so cute. Just never got around to buying them. And then for some reason, everything aligned and obviously the algorithm was algorithming and I noticed they were having a big sale. So I bought something. I've never worn these shoes before. I don't know what my size is in there. Most of the time I am a 37.5, but some shoes I will go a 38, especially with Manolo Blahniks and Jimmy Choo, which are a little bit on the smaller side for me. So I think I got a 38 in this as well. So let's open it up. Okay, it just protected in the paper. Well in there, I have to flip it upside down. We got it. All right, here it is. It's in a nice little pink box. I have never owned a pair of shoes from her, nor have experienced the packaging. Looks like it's all nice recycled packaging and stuff like that, which is nice to see, not tons of plastic or anything. So let's open it up. There we go. We have extra tips and stuff for the heels. We have one dust bag. I'm super excited about these shoes. They look absolutely gorgeous. Here they are. You guys, look at these things. These are Sophia Webster wrap sandals. And it seems like some of the things have fallen off, but this is the one with the butterflies all over it. You have butterflies here and it's wrapped and it has a suede heel and everything. Oh, okay, let's open them up. Oh my goodness, look. So they had these wrapped really well because these ones look like they're flying and these are the flat ones. So they had this because this kind of looks like it's a resin butterfly. Very well done. Look how beautiful that is. And this wraps around. And yes, I did get a 38. And I think that's a 100mm heel, but you have to admit, when you see these, look absolutely gorgeous. And I will try these on for you. I'll insert it here. Hopefully these will fit. Seriously, is anyone else a shoe girl? Just me. These look at the detail of these. And these normally cost over $1,000, which again, that's why I've never gotten these shoes before. But I got these on sale and they were still a lot of money. They were around $600, which is still a lot of money. I have sold some stuff. I've been purging my closet, so technically they're free if you think about it that way. The girl math is how I'm mathing it. These are the most beautiful shoes I have ever seen. I'm not sure if there's gonna be 2 boxes of shoes in here, but I did get this on sale from Essence. They were having a big sale as well, and if you don't follow, but you should, Lex Hunter, she always lists all of the sales. That's how I found out that this was going on. They're having a Boxing Day sale, which is a celebration that they do over in the UK on the 26th of December. So let's open it up. And if you're wondering Jess, do you have events coming up that you would need to have these shoes for? No, I don't. I just like them and I think they're pretty. I got the Attica, which I've never gotten any of their shoes before, and another Sophia Webster. I have to tell you about these ones. These shoes right here were under $200. So they were kind of an impulse buy. And then these shoes were under $300. So these were both kind of impulse buys because they're brands I've never tried before. So let's go with this one first. Can't return them because they're final sale. Let's hope they work. Okay, we have the same one singular dust bag. I really like having 2 dust bags with my shoes. That's me being picky, just so they don't rub up against each other. So take this off. Look how cute these are. These are a little kitten heel sandal, but it has a flamingo on it. I know. What am I doing? And this is a 37.5, which is why I wasn't sure, because I am usually in between sizes. 37.5 is my normal size, but on certain things I do size up to 38 just for like comfort, like boots, because I like to wear thick socks. I go 38. Some pumps, if they're narrow ones, I'll go up a size just for extra room because your feet swell. But these ones I thought would be okay because they're a sandal, so I'm not quite sure how they're made. But guys, like, it is like a patent, but it's a beautiful pink color. I'll insert me like wearing them right now. Now I did see some reviews on them that came like the flamingo was cracked. So I do have a little mark on this one. Because again, this feels like it's like painted resin. So there is like a few like marks on this, like barely noticeable. It's probably just something that's gonna happen naturally when you wear it. But I did notice there are some little marks on there. Nothing like to write home about. They're super cute. I know I have a problem. I don't have events to go to. Where are these gonna go? The grocery store? I don't know. Maybe I will strut at Target. All right? Stop judging me. And the last one is like a pair of shoes that I'm not sure if I love, if I think they're cool or they're ugly. Do you ever go through that? You're like, oh, I like those. Are they cute or are they ugly? Let's see. So this is a brand that also has like funky weird shoes. You can see, I guess 2024 me is crazy and abstract with my fashion. Okay. See, this one has the double dust bag, which I really love when they do that. Traveling, I love putting them in separate dust bags so that way your heel doesn't accidentally scratch the other one when you're traveling. And here they are. This is another sandal in the pink. And they have this really, like, their designs are always this abstract, fun, clunky heel. What size did I get this one in? Got this one in a 38, but hopefully this will be okay because you can have it, like it has the tie here for the ankle. Look how freaking cool this is. Again, I will try to link these for you. Again, the sale has come and gone. These ones are a little bit of a lower heel and I felt like these are super fun. I could wear these with jeans, wear these out to dinner. I feel like they're kind of like a conversation piece. Plus they were under $300. They were on sale and I got both of those shoes for right around $400, which seemed like a really good deal. But yeah, we'll see if they fit. I will insert a picture of me with these, but I just thought these were so cute and I don't know who I am anymore. Are you guys doing this stuff? Is it just because I'm getting older that I'm just going for like really fun, unique fashions? Are you guys enjoying these styles? Let me know what you're getting. Are you like me? Are you just getting some fun styles? Are you like branching out? Because I really want to branch out and try new designers, new things that I've never tried before. Please put it in the comments down below. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching and hope to see you again. Bye guys.